chong sha din du kidan ki bawa man le dia pam soat inter pam soat ikini hak kumum sunda no mau na ba kan kila kan makin ra ay issue kini kinamna taw makin happen kan parliament kinam yo ban kan satya na maka procedure habo parliament kadon dataway kalenti ongkom assembly ra motion kat bamon ra bill kat bamon ye kat bamon walk out kat bamon MP habis council ulang kumta ha parliament.
Language is one of the important elements. For many years, we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope, with the support of members, that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language. And I hope that the government, members in the opposition, would support the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule.
Okay, sir.